Hello everybody, how's it going? Our lesson today about increment and decrement operators. So let's start and see what is increment and decrement operators. Alright, here we have variable a equal 10, variable b equal 20, and we have here in description increment, the first one, a plus plus. A plus plus is same exactly like you write a equal a plus 1. So the final result, it will be 11. Why? Because the compiler will go to the value of variable a and will add it 1. So instead 10, the value, it will be 11. And if you write plus plus a is same also exactly like you write a equal a plus 1. And here in the second description, it's decrement description. If you write b minus minus, it's same exactly like b equal b minus 1. The final result will be 19 because the compiler will go to the value of variable b, which is 20 here. It'll take 1 or decrement by 1, and the final result will be 19. And if you write it minus minus b, also same like you write b equal b minus 1. And now we have this program, integer main function, but it is curly bracket, integer a equal 10, b equal 20, a plus plus. A plus plus, as we said right now, same as you write a equal a plus 1, and b minus minus same as b equal b minus 1. So if we print or we do run to this program, it should give me 11 and 19. So now let's go to the Visual Studio and run this program. Alright, this is our program, integer a equal 10, b equal 20, and here we write or we use increment operator a plus plus. We said it's same exactly or same as a equal a plus 1, and here we use decrement operator b minus minus, same as b equal b, or like you write b equal b minus 1. You will tell me what is different between increment operator or a equal a plus 1. I will tell you usually the developer, they use increment and decrement operators. So if you see in your future any increment or decrement operators, you already now know it's same exactly like a equal a plus 1 or b equal b minus 1. So if I run, or I did run to this program, the result should to be 11 and 19. Let's do run to this program. Perfect. The compiler give me for the first line of code increment operator 11. There is a final result 11, like I write a equal a plus 1. And for the second line of code, the decrement operators b minus minus, the compiler give me 19. The final result is 19. So if I replace the plus plus and the minus minus and make it before the letters, the compiler will give me another result or no? Let's see. If you write plus plus a minus minus b, do run to the program, exactly the compiler give me the same results. So the developers are stupid to create two things to do the same thing? Of course no, and that's what's going to explain it in next lesson. That was the lesson of today, guys. See you next lesson. Ciao.